What up, guys? So I'm back with another video. Just like I said, I'm going to do an unboxing on my PS4 steering wheel. Trying to block that light. Kind of annoying. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. I have a piece of paper over all the information because I don't know how to blur anything out or anything like that. But yeah, let's get right to the video. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to try to move it. So, right here is the box. I'm gonna grab my knife right here. It's a good knife. Be very careful with them. Okay. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. In fact, let's see here. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Oh, it's here. It's here. Okay. So, right there, PX9 V900 gaming racing wheel. Hopefully this is a good racing wheel. Done a little research on it. People in the comments are saying that it's good. Let's take this in the box. Alright. So here it is. I'm gonna also be plugging it in and see how it works. Oh, that's nice looking. That's real nice looking. So, it looks like everything comes in, like, English and then Chinese. So, let's open this up. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Got some instructions. Not reading that. Little thank you card. Got the USB. The clamp to clamp it down to the table, I believe. Just set that right there. Close up my knife. Got another clamp. Oh, perfect. Some suction cups to put it on the table. Not sure what that is. Looks like a USB, I'm pretty sure. You can see the end of it. Yes, sir. Got my steering wheel. Got my pedals. Some pretty good pedals. That's nice. That's real nice. That is real nice. As you can see right here, right there, there's like pads. So every time you push it down, it touches it, and it doesn't hit the plastic and like break anything or something like that. That goes in to like a little compartment. Then you could pull it out just like that, and then play with it like this. Like put your foot on there and just, oh dude, those are really nice. Those are really, really nice. Set that off to the side right there. Some suction cups. Got 3 suction cups. To like put on the steering wheel and then like push it onto your table or like whatever you got going on. Got your clamps. Clamp on to the steering wheel and onto your table. beauty. It's a beauty. Got the steering wheel. Oh. As you guys can see right here, it actually comes on with suction cups too. Oh. Dang. That goes down far. Holy smokes. It's a pretty big wheel. But it's really, really nice. It's easy to it's really easy to turn. Right here, got your USB. Going to be right here. Maybe unpackaging one. Oh, I don't need this. Okay. It's got zip ties on it. I'm not gonna do that one right now. But you plug that in a PS4 or Xbox or PC, whichever one you have. Oh, that's cool. It has like fans, or like not fans, but vents. That's really cool. Okay. So that's the steering wheel. Like it. It's a little unique. It's got like a red racing stripe right there. It's a really nice wheel. This turns far. Like, look at this. Turns 360, but then like another like 50 degrees, I think. It turns far. I'll show you guys whenever I'm playing my game. Okay. Pedals. I already showed you guys that, but it's nice. I like that. I like the pad, so it's like gives it more like support, so it doesn't like slide forward or anything like that. If you don't want to, you can just slide it under there like that. Like I even did that with one hand. It's that easy. Okay. Yep. Right here. It's your clamp. Press that. Okay. Suction cups. Alright. Start doing it. Okay. Clean up a little bit. Really good packaging, by the way, too. It's not like really that. I'm gonna slide that in my pocket. Alright, let's get that over here. Get the beauty. Alright. Slide that in here. Alright, see how this thing holds up. Let's see here. Okay. Come on. There we go, just like that. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Oh, okay. I see that. So it looks like these goes into that. into these parts right here. A little hard to see. Right, yeah, right in there. Not sure which way. That way, yeah. See if I can put that on there now. Yes, sir. Let me see how this is gonna work. Does it like slide forward or something like that? I'll figure that out later. Just put that to the side. Okay. That'll work. It doesn't like move or anything while I'm using it. Okay. Let me grab my pencil. Right here. Let me unstrap this.